In this video, I will show you how to add a calendar to Google Calendar. The process to add a calendar to Google Calendar is quick and straightforward. Let's see how to do it. First, open any web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Now log in with your Gmail ID and password. On the home screen, on the left panel, you will find an option Other Calendars with plus icon. Click on this option and you will get option to create a new calendar. You can add calendar from URL or import from your PC. Click on create new calendar. Now just assign a name for your calendar in the name field. Add description. Now select time zone as you like. And once done, click create calendar. This will add a new calendar to Google Calendar. You can click configure option and change settings like add people and groups, notifications and grant permissions for events. So that is how you can add a calendar to Google Calendar. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.